So I'm just back from another press trip, and I have a bunch of packages for video reviews. Let's see what we got in this one. Let's see, what is this? So this is a set of sanding pads, grinding, blending, finishing, polishing, everything. We can use them for a lot of different things. Look at all that. Here are the screws for the attachment. We're gonna work on this over the weekend. It looks like a cool do-it-yourself project. We can do it for the car, for the shop, for making all our little projects. That's cool. We'll check it later. So here I am in my little shop at home, and I got a set of sanding disc and other tools. I have this restoration project. I found this in the garbage actually. It's obviously a little messed up. It has a little rotten wood. And actually there was another one that has this part, and I'm gonna replace it here because this one still has a rope to hang it. So let's work with some of these pads and see what we can do. This product comes with this disc where you attach anything else or anything that you can. It has Velcro, so you can put it here. And here are the actual attachments for the drill. So let's see this one. Yeah. So let's try this one here. Here's my drill. You just put it in and that's it. So I have all these sanding pads, different grades. So let me see which one I'm going to use now. So as you can see, this wood, which looks to be thick, it looks really good. Let me find a proper pad for this. Instructions 80, which is this one, for grinding, blending, finishing and polishing. So it's a whole set. And as we already looked here, we already put this here. It's attached. It works. So I'm gonna use one of the 80 here and start cleaning this little box. Let's see. So as you can see, already it's super clean here. I'm gonna keep working on it. So this will be the first step, just to replace the top. I'm gonna leave it off for now. I'm gonna clean this really well. There was much worse conditions. So I'm going to replace this one to hold the glass. So I already replaced the top part. I fixed the bottom, which is not perfect because this is missing a little part, but it's okay. Nobody noticed that. Get rid of some of the rotten wood. So I'm gonna go and wash it a little bit get off the rust off as much as I can, and then I can sand a little bit more and stain. Let's go. So I was able to polish all this, get rid of the old paint, clean all the wood, and now I have this little box for this air plant. So all those tools can be used for a lot of different things, obviously, but this is just one example of it.